I just started lessons to the school. The schools teaching them, collecting and put together, and give them some lessons that this is doing what, this is doing what after. So if you do this, you are letting your next book to available for your next sister, for your next brother. Just give them those little sequences of this is from here to there. After that, we'll be having a new book. Don't you want a new book? Yes, we want. So yes, that is what I started to do in my community, and I did it with one of the schools around in La Lucia. I need to assist the parent, and if you want to get a parent in this category we're talking about, recycling, start with the child, because the child will tell mommy, don't throw a plastic bottle of milk away. I will take it to school because Uncle Bafana will come and collect them for recycling so that you can have another bottle of milk. So that sequence will try and count down all these things we're talking about, including that throwing out things out the window. We can even tell the parents, tell the child at school, if you're having sweets or anything in the car, have a small packet, put it in. When you come home, separate them and bring it to school. So I'm sure that can help a lot, and that will help a lot. That will give lessons, and that will try and environment-wise to become cleaner. We'll be having clean country, we'll be having health country.